In today's tech video, we are going to unbox and take a good look at the LG G2 OLED EVO. I'm going to show you guys how to get this thing set up and give you a good look at it. Okay, so this is what the back side of it looks like. It's just laying face down. Here's another good look at just how thin this TV is from there to there. But this is where all the brains of the TV are. The ports on the back, you get a USB 1 right here, but also there's a USB 2 and 3. When it comes to the HDMI ports, that's what a lot of us will utilize. Right here is HDMI 1. There is your eARC HDMI, so if you are a gamer, that's where you're going to want to plug into right there. It's got a third HDMI hookup there, and then right there is a fourth HDMI. Also, it's got a spot for you to hook up your antenna if you're still doing that. Right there's your LAN port to hook up your Ethernet cable, a digital optical out, and then right here are an audio to hook up like some, it looks like it shows a picture of headphones. Here's a SBC only. So over here on this side is the power cable that is attached. Right there is the back portion plate where you mount the back portion. You get your Magic remote here. That's really popular when it comes to the LG models because it's got the pointer and a scroll wheel. You get your screws to mount the plate on. The name brand of the batteries is called Bexel. Okay, to put the base on, what you do is you'll get this thing set right in there like so. Let me give you a good look at this Magic remote here. The preset buttons that they've already got pre-installed is Netflix, Disney Plus. Right there brings up like your LG menu. It's got an Amazon Alexa button, LG channels, and then Prime videos. I just set off my Alexa device talking about it. Also, it's got your home button, mute button, microphone so you can talk into it. This is the profile of the remote. I mean, it's contoured so that way you can put so it holds really nice in your hand, your fingers underneath like that. Once you have the back base on, in order to keep it stabilized, you got to put on the metal plate. Now the way to do this is you got the front of it right here, you just kind of angle it and then position it just like that. Now there are 3 screw holes